Our sessions were really interesting. We had a couple of sessions around shortage, particularly with EMEA, new regulation and approach. Also a lot of sessions around collaboration with the different stakeholders that are very interesting because we have many challenges and the only way to tackle those challenges is to work together, so it was really interesting.
What we try to achieve is really full automation and digitization and across the entire supply chain, so including all the steps. This is already like a solution that's out there. We were not aware of that. So yes, there is the possibility of having all of that in the clinical supply chain fully automated and all the systems being integrated and talking to each other.
We have spoken about the vendor selection process in AstraZeneca. Clinical for your supply chain was the name of the session, and we have focused on packaging, labeling, storage and distribution, sourcing activities for our clinical trials. It's been a session where we went from the very beginning in our internal processes till the confirmation of a vendor and the purchase order.
So like traditionally in clinical trials you have normal booklet and paper labels that are relatively static, but with the new digital display labels you have a kind of mini laptop in your label integrated, so you can change every time the content of the label. So you have an expiry update, you have a change in the country text, you can change that every time, everywhere. And that is a complete disruption for the supply chain. You can set that up completely newly, and that brings a lot of advantages for our customers, for the sponsors.
I think real-time monitoring is a discussion that is still ongoing, and how it can serve for what purpose and what benefit to monitor in real time. Also end-to-end supply, how to monitor from the manufacturing to the patients. And I think still also digitalization and automation is one of the topics that is for us important, as well as sustainability.
The three topics that we think that is really key. First of all, it's again, like I'm repeating myself over here, but it's collaboration. I think working together with different entities across the network is a key message. The second one is data. How do we treat data and how we connect across the network? And the third one is innovation with control towers for global R&D and really bringing all the pieces together for global supply chains.
The concept type was digital twins because for us it is a digital copy of our own health, and with AI and the related technologies, healthcare companies can do much more than what they are doing today for a longevity.